Otter AI works across all your favorite platforms, including Microsoft Teams. Here's how to bring your AI note-taker into your next Teams call. First, open Otter.ai in your browser and make sure you're logged in. In a new tab, open Microsoft Teams. From the Teams homepage, click Meet, then select Get a Meeting Link to share. Once it generates the URL, click Copy Link so you have it ready for Otter. Go ahead and click Join. Ensure your microphone is active and hit Join Now to enter the meeting. Now, switch back to your Otter AI tab, paste the meeting link into the invitation box, and click Record. Otter will reload and prepare to join your session. Return to your Teams meeting and keep an eye out for a notification that the Otter.ai note-taker is waiting in the lobby. Click Admit. You can verify it's working by checking the People tab. You should see the note-taker listed there as a participant. Switch back to Otter AI and you'll see the live transcript beginning to capture every word of the conversation. When your meeting is finished, just click Stop Note-taker. The full structured transcript will appear on your screen immediately. As always, you can click on any part of the text to play back the original recorded audio from that exact moment. That's how you use Otter AI with Microsoft Teams, keeping your meetings organized and your notes automated. Hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.